Good day. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create unique dates, periods, and years for use in your reconciliations of any kind that you want to actually do. So let's go. So I've got a spreadsheet here. So in this columns here, I've got the financial year and then the periods for the financial year end, and then this side is where you have all the dates, and after then you map your year, period, and day in this side. So in here, the first thing that you need to do is to ascertain what financial year end is applicable to the company that you're working on. So in this instance, I've assumed that my financial year end is February, which means my first period will be March and the last period will be February. So if your year end is December, that means your first period will be January. So let's go. So when I'm updating this side, I'll start with the first month, which is March. So I'm going to type March 2023, and then I'm just going to drag it to for over 12 months to February. I can see it my February. Then the next thing, I'm going to put my year to mark my year, and then I'm just going to drag to the bottom, and then here I'm going to use a formula to get the period. That will be the March period, which will be period 3. So I'm going to use a formula to to extract it out of that March 2023. It's going to be, the formula is going to be equals to text and then open bracket. Then you point to that March and then comma. So you are saying, give me of this value in March, give me the period, only the month. So and then I'm going to have double inverted commas, and then I'm going to tell it month. It's going to be in words 03. But if I want maybe the March MAR, you got to put the 3 M's. If you want the full March MARCH, then you put 4 M's. Then it gives you that. So I'm going to just drag it, double click to get to the end. And then in here, now I'm going to force it to say for period 3, I want it to be period 1, and this one will be period 2. And then I'll select the one in the 2, and then double click to get to the end, so that my February is period 12, my last period, and my first period is March. Now let's go to the other side. So in this side, I'm going to put in 1 March 2023, and then I'm going to drag it all the way to the bottom. Right. So here we are. We passed. So I'm going to delete this. And then now we've got all our dates right to the end. So in here now, so what we need to do, we need then to get the year, to extract the year from this date, the period from this date, and the day from this date. How do we do it? We're going to use that same formula, equals to text. And then we're going to say, give me in this value, give me, comma, yeah, 4 Y's, which gives us our 2023. But if you wanted just the 23, then we'll put YY, only 2 Y's, and that's it. And then for period, which is a month, I'm going to say, give me text, open bracket, in this value, give me MM, double inverted commas again, close. And then for day, it's going to be equals to text, open bracket, give me in this text, comma, double inverted commas, and then BD for day, close the double inverted commas. And then, but now the problem is here, because March is period 3, according to our January to December period. But in our year end, March is period number 1, as you can see here. So how do we get to effect that? So I'm going to use I'm going to embed a VLOOKUP in this one, so that I can actually look up, comma, I'm going to look up in this period to say if it finds 3, it must give me this one. So I'm going to say, give me in this table of array, and then F4 to make it absolute, comma, 2, comma, 0. Voila, it's done. And then all we have to do now is to double click. So I can see now my March is period 1, and let's check if February is going to be period 12. There we go, period 12. In this March 2024, and the date is 29. It's absolutely correct. So this is how you create your unique periods, unique dates, and unique years. Hopefully this helped somebody. Thank you.